So I presented the idea of universal was the word I was using, masking. It's really about behavior change and culture change. So when I've traveled globally, again, as a global health professor in other cultures, this is the norm. But we have to get there together as a culture. This is a very big behavioral change for us. Eventually, in our culture, perhaps wearing masks, that might eventually be a culture change we get to. I see it this way. This is the beginning of that social contract with each other. So this is something we're going to lean into very heavily. We're going to have lots of campaigns about it, and we're going to reach as many people. Join me in this. Don your mask. Don your cape.
Masks in public. The governor of Ohio also reversing his mandatory no mask, no service policy.
It became clear to me that that was just a bridge too far. People were not going to accept the government telling them what to do. And so we put out, dozens and dozens of orders. That was one that it just went too far.
And when we think about the image and likeness of God, that we're created in the image and likeness of God, when we think of image, do we think of a chest or our legs or our arms? We think of their face. I don't want to cover people's faces, Jim. That's the image of God right there, and I want to see it in my brothers and sisters.